Can I install third-party apps on my LG Smart TV?
Hello there. Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing whether you can install third-party apps on your LG Smart TV. If you're curious about expanding the functionality of your television beyond the pre-installed apps, you're in the right place. Let's dive in.
Understanding LG Smart TV app installation.
LG Smart TVs come with a range of pre-installed apps to provide a variety of entertainment options. However, you might be wondering if you can go beyond these preloaded apps and install third-party applications. Well, the answer is yes. LG Smart TVs allow you to install additional apps from sources other than the official LG Content Store.
Using the LG Content Store.
To explore the world of third-party apps on your LG Smart TV, you can start by checking out the LG Content Store. This official store offers a wide selection of apps that have been vetted and approved by LG. Here's how you can access and install apps from the LG Content Store. 1. On your LG Smart TV remote control, press the Home button. 2. Navigate to the LG Content Store using the arrow keys and press OK to enter. 3. Browse through the available categories or use the search function to find specific apps. 4. Once you've found an app you want to install, select it and choose Install to initiate the installation process. 5. Wait for the app to download and install. Once it's installed, you can find it in the Apps section of your LG Smart TV's home screen.
Installing apps from external sources.
While the LG Content Store offers a good selection of apps, you may have specific third-party apps in mind that are not available there. In such cases, you can still install apps from external sources using a method called sideloading. Here's a brief overview of how you can sideload apps on your LG Smart TV. 1. Access the Settings menu on your LG Smart TV by pressing the Settings button on your remote control. 2. Navigate to the General or All Settings option and select it. 3. Look for the Security and Restrictions or similar menu option and enter it. 4. Enable the Unknown Sources or Allow Unknown Sources option. This allows the installation of apps from external sources. 5. On a separate device, such as a computer or smartphone, find the APK file, Android application package, for the third-party app you want to install. Make sure the APK is from a reliable source. 6. Transfer the APK file to a USB flash drive or any other external storage device compatible with your LG Smart TV. 7. Connect the USB drive to your LG Smart TV. 8. Using the File Manager app on your LG Smart TV, navigate to the location where you saved the APK file. 9. Select the APK file and choose Install to start the installation process. 10. Wait for the installation to complete, and once finished, you should be able to find the app in the Apps section of your LG Smart TV's home screen. It's important to note that sideloading apps may come with certain risks, as not all third-party apps are verified or guaranteed to be safe. Exercise caution and only install apps from trusted sources to minimize potential security concerns. And there you have it. You can indeed install third-party apps on your LG Smart TV, both from the official LG Content Store and external sources through sideloading.